Sorry, everybody. Hi. This is a video of eating very healthy. Whoopsie.
Beanie, tell them what it is.
It's chicken steak. It's not like regular steak. But got my milk. Extra healthy. I like it. For sure.
You need more, baby?
No,
Not yet? Okay.
not yet.
Hi, baby.
Two more pieces. Daddy, take a drink. All together.
Mm.
Yum.
Melon?
To let you know, our first video was other one about connection. And see you on the next video. It will be connection.
Here. Here, baby. Your sister loves it.
I do too. And
Good stuff.
yep, good stuff. Yum. Oh! Mama, look what I made.
Good job, baby.
Isn't that cool?
Here, Ellen.
Oh, duh.
There you go.
Yay. Oh, great. One last piece.
Yeah?
Mm. If you taste this before, put your thumbs up and tell me in the comments. I'm going to pause now. Not pause. Turn you on. Video.